Welcome to the Totally Honest Cooking Show. I'm Mark. Today we're making a multi-layer dip. Let's go! Lots of people make multi-layer dips, and it's hard to tell what constitutes a layer. Some things have 6 or 7 layers without me really knowing. This gets you 5 to 7 layers depending on what works. We're going to start with a can of refried red beans. And I'm putting everything in this. This can is 15 ounces. And into that, we're tossing an envelope of mild taco seasoning. This is not my preferred brand of taco seasoning, but that's fine. The goal is to just mix everybody together. And try not to make too much mess inside this little container that I've chosen. Once that's done, try to smear it around so that it's evenly coating the bottom of whatever container you're using. Next, you've got 16 ounces of sour cream. On top of that, 8 ounces of cream cheese, softened. I'm a level with the internet. I did not, in fact, soften the cream cheese. So this might take a little elbow grease. That's fine. You can do it. I believe in you, internet. Once it's as mixed as you think you can get it, put it on top. Smooth it out just like you did with the beans. 16 ounces of your favorite salsa. I'm using chunky. Normally for this sort of thing I would make my own guacamole, but because of time constraints I did not. So now I have to figure out how to defrost this thing of guacamole. I'm going to run it under a cold tap. I've put it in this plastic bag to give it more exposure. We're also going to do the scoosh it method, where I scoosh it while it's under the water. Once it's thawed enough to go on top, we're going to put it on top. At this point, you may run into trouble because some of your layers may begin melding together. This is not ideal, but don't fret about it too much. The recipe I took this from said fresh tomatoes and lettuce. I'm getting rid of the lettuce because I feel like it's going to brown if there's any left over of this. And I'm using 2 cans of diced tomatoes with green chilies. And obviously, straighten that up too. If you watch the show a lot, you know I usually shred my own cheese. I'm not doing that for this because it's cold. It doesn't matter. The reason you shred your own cheese is because it melts better. Yes, the flavor and texture are also slightly better, but you're pouring it in all this stuff. You're going to be okay. 2 cups of shredded cheese. How do I know it's 2 cups? It says it on the bag. And then we've got a little can of olives. Now, I like olives. Some of the people at this gathering might not like olives. They can move them around. It'll be okay. I like the salt. I feel like you need the salt on top of all of this to add to it. Us non-professional food photographers will not get a perfect side, and that's okay. It's going to be tasty. Now, normally I would taste this on camera, but I'm going to a gathering. Jerkins, how'd I do? Tell me here. Well, if you can't trust a review like that, what can you trust? Okay, like, subscribe, ding the little bell, leave a comment down below, let me know how I'm doing, and I'll see you next Wednesday. Bye.